Most people talking about making money online are full of it. They either oversell the dream, pretending you'll be sipping cocktails on a beach next month, or they make it sound so complicated that you need a master's degree to understand what they're saying. The truth is, it's neither of those extremes. Making money online is entirely possible, but only if you've got the right tools and know how to actually use them. That's what we're doing today. I'm breaking down 5 real, practical tools that anyone can use in 2025 to save time, work smarter, and yes, actually make money online. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use these tools step by step to create your own path to earning online. I've linked all helpful tools and useful resources in the description below, so be sure to check those out to save some time and for any exclusive discounts. Let's get into it. Let's start with something that's a headache for literally everyone: social media. Love it or hate it, if you're trying to make money online, you need to show up on social platforms. But let's be honest, it's exhausting. Coming up with content ideas, designing posts, writing captions, scheduling everything, it's like having a second job. This is where Flick comes in. Flick is an AI-powered social media marketing tool that takes the grunt work out of managing your social media accounts. It's like having a personal assistant who's really good at Instagram and TikTok, but without the awkward small talk. Here's how Flick works and why it's worth paying attention to. When you first set it up, it asks you for some basic details about your business. Things like what you do, who your audience is, and the kind of vibe you want your content to have. Then, it uses its AI assistant to create a full-blown content strategy for you. It doesn't just stop at ideas either. It helps you plan out your posting schedule, generates captions, and even creates post templates that are good to go right out of the box. What I like about Flick is how hands-off it is once you set it up. You can choose themes for your content, whether it's tips and tricks, product promotions, or behind-the-scenes peeks, and Flick will generate posts that actually match those themes. It's not one of those cookie-cutter tools that spits out generic content. It learns your brand voice and creates stuff that feels like you. And what I love is that it works across multiple platforms. You can manage all your accounts from one place without constantly jumping between apps. Now, if you're still skeptical about why you need this, think about the time it saves. Instead of spending hours brainstorming what to post or stressing about what time to hit publish, you can automate the entire process. That's time you can use to focus on the actual money-making parts of your business, like closing sales or working with clients. Flick isn't just about making social media easier. It's about freeing you up to do the things that matter. Tool 2. Now, let's talk about something totally different. Gathering information from websites. If you've ever tried to extract data from a website, like pricing info, product details, or even competitor research, you know how tedious it can be. Copying and pasting data manually is the kind of task that makes you question your life choices. But Browse AI changes the game completely. This AI tool lets you create bots to scrape data from websites automatically. And before you freak out at the word bots, don't worry. You don't need to know a single thing about coding to make this work. It's designed for regular people, not tech wizards. When you log in, Browse AI gives you 2 options. You can use one of their pre-built bots for common tasks, or you can create your own bot tailored to your specific needs. Let's say you run an online store and you want to monitor the prices of similar products on a competitor's website. With Browse AI, you can set up a bot to scrape that data for you. The bot will track the information and organize it into a table that you can download as a CSV file. You can also set it to update regularly, so you're always working with the latest info. If you're not in e-commerce, you can still use this tool for all kinds of things. Want to keep track of job listings? Check. Need YouTube analytics from your competitors? Done. It's versatile, and once you've set it up, it runs in the background while you focus on other things. The real magic, though, is how easy Browse AI makes this process. You just highlight the information you want on a web page, and the bot is trained to grab it. It's like teaching someone to fetch coffee, but way more useful. And the data you collect can be combined with tools like ChatGPT to run deeper analyses or create reports. It's a productivity booster, plain and simple. Tool 3. We've talked about scraping websites. Now, let's talk about creating websites. I know some of you are already breaking out in a cold sweat just hearing the word website, but stick with me. Durable is an AI website builder that makes creating a website as easy as ordering a pizza. Seriously, it's that straightforward. Here's how it works. When you sign up, Durable asks you for a few basic details about your business: your name, what you do, and your location. Then, within seconds, it spits out a fully designed website. I'm not kidding. It comes with headlines, images, a logo, and even pricing sections if you're selling products or services. Now, you might be thinking, okay, but what if I don't like the design? That's no problem at all. Everything is customizable. You can change the headlines, swap out images, and tweak the layout until it's exactly how you want it. Durable gives you access to royalty-free images that look amazing. You can even upload your own if you've got something specific in mind. The best part is that it's fast. You could literally have a professional-looking website up and running in under an hour. For freelancers, small business owners, or anyone starting a side hustle, Durable takes away the excuses. No more saying, I don't know how to code, or I don't have the time. It's website building simplified. Tool 4. Another intimidating aspect of business is creating videos. For example, you know those step-by-step videos that show you exactly how to do something? They're incredibly useful, but making them can be a nightmare. That's where Guida comes in. Guida is an AI tool that automates the creation of how-to videos. It's perfect for anyone who needs to train employees, onboard customers, or even create tutorials for YouTube. Here's how it works. You record your screen while going through the process you want to explain. Guida captures everything and automatically generates a video with step-by-step instructions. It even adds text overlays to explain each step, so viewers know exactly what's happening. If you need to make changes, the editing tools are super intuitive. You can add voiceovers, tweak the text, or even translate the video into different languages. The branding features are a nice touch too. You can add your logo and customize the colors to match your brand, so the final product looks polished and professional. Whether you're creating a training video for your team or a product demo for your customers, Guida takes the stress out of the process. Tool 5. Now let's talk about something that everybody could use a little help with: design. Not everyone is a graphic designer, and that's okay. Adobe Express is here to help. It's an AI-powered design tool that makes creating professional-looking graphics ridiculously easy. Whether you're working on social media posts, website banners, or marketing materials, Adobe Express has you covered. The AI features are what set it apart. You can generate images using Adobe Firefly, remove backgrounds with a single click, or even create entire templates based on text prompts. For example, if you need a social media graphic, you can type in what you're looking for, and Adobe Express will generate a template for you. From there, you can customize it by changing the colors, adding your logo, and tweaking the text. The best thing about Adobe Express is how accessible it is. The free version is packed with features, and if you upgrade to the paid version, you unlock even more tools. So, we've covered 5 tools that are genuinely useful for making money online in 2025. Flick streamlines your social media. Browse AI handles your data extraction. Durable builds your website in minutes. Guide simplifies how-to video creation. And Adobe Express takes the pain out of graphic design. The real takeaway here is that you don't need to do everything yourself. These tools are here to save you time, energy, and stress, so you can focus on what really matters: building your business and making money. Which of these tools have you used before, or will you be trying? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.